Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, if malicious code finds its way onto your Windows system, as you may well know, it can take control and cause irreversible damages. And if your device gets infected with so-called hard-to-remove malware, when Windows is loaded, you can use the Microsoft Defender offline scan option in case you are unaware. And Microsoft Defender, as you may well know, is the built-in antivirus on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. And the Defender offline scan option is capable of running when the system isn't active, which allows the anti-malware, then the engine of the antivirus Microsoft Defender, to then detect and remove most of those hard-to-remove so-called viruses. So just a quick video to show you how to actually use Defender antivirus offline scan on Windows 10 and also Windows 11. Now, what we need to do first of all is, if you haven't got your Windows security pinned to your system tray, you can just do a search for that accordingly. So we open up the Windows security app, and then we head over to virus and threat protection, and then we click on scan options. And as mentioned, this applies to both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now on the scan options page, you'll see quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and then Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. And the description reads, some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove, as I mentioned, from your device. Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan can help find and remove them using up-to-date threat definitions. This will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. So then what you would do is you would click on scan now. Now I'm not going to do that because it's going to crash my recording, but you would click on scan now, and then you would click on scan, and then what Windows will do after you've done those steps, Windows will restart into the Windows recovery environment, WinRE for short, where the command line version of the antivirus then will run automatically without actually loading up the Windows OS. So it's got a better chance then of actually finding any hard to remove or stubborn malicious code that cannot be removed when the actual Windows operating system is running. And as mentioned, the scan can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your actual system and your hardware. And if it does find any hard to remove viruses, then obviously it will remove those, and after that 10 to 15 minute period, your computer then will restart automatically, and hopefully that should resolve any hard to remove or stubborn malware that has found its way onto your Windows 10 and Windows 11 device. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.